If you have an Alexa device, I'm showing you how you can log in and you can actually set up in your own words what you want your device to tell you. And so as you can see here, I have the following message. If you look under right here in this second section that says Alexa will, and then I've typed this information in, and this is what I hear every day, every morning. If you look at the top section at 7:30 a.m. every morning, or I can say the following phrase that you see there, and this will play on demand. So there are a lot of features within your device that you can use. I have tons of them, from positive meditation to some of my favorite songs to it's time to take a break, take a walk. And I also have something else. These are some of the items that you see here. I've actually recently went through, I want to follow some items on the stock market. I mean, there's almost no end in what you could program your device to do. So these are mine. I have my morning updates, daily dose of knowledge, quiet ambient music, weekend celebration. This happens every Friday. I have a little celebration song going on, start my day. I love this one, end of day stress relief. That is another one. This is a whole routine that takes me through. Let me see if I can even go to it. Let's see if I can show you, just so you can have an idea. And so I've programmed all of this, and this happens every day at 9 o'clock at night. So right before I go to bed. And it just walks me through the whole relaxation process here. And this is the actual things that I hear every night. And it helps me to relax and really think about the things that I want to reflect on before going to sleep. There's more. Look at this one here, Dree's morning music. Yeah, so I've had a morning quote and things of that. There's tons of things, but let me go ahead and showcase the one of the items here. And so let's take a listen. Ziggy, play my daily positive message.
Hey Dree. Now, let's take a few minutes to think healthier thoughts. You can take on anything today because God is with you and in your life. God has taken all your burdens and anxiety. He loves you and fights your battles. He just gave you a warm, tight hug.
So there you have it. Again, this is just one idea of several that you can actively do to make sure that you are backing up your positive thoughts and affirmations. Okay, have a wonderful day.